iOS 17 brings with it some awesome new features to the apps you use to communicate every day, iMessage and FaceTime, and also to the app you use to communicate as little as humanly possible, phone. That's right, I'm going to show you 5 awesome features of iOS 17, which you can get right now if you're watching this video in about mid-September. Starting with number 1, live voicemail. It works like this. When you have a phone call come in, you can tap the voicemail button to instantly send the call to voicemail. After about a moment or so, if the caller decides to leave a voicemail, you'll start seeing a live transcription as they place the voicemail. And at any time, you can answer the phone call if it actually turns out to be something important, or you can just let it go. Now, unfortunately, this feature is only available in the United States right now, probably because it requires a lot of work with the cell phone carriers. Number 2, you can also leave voicemails over FaceTime. Video mails. FaceTime video messages. You can send a video. So if you spontaneously FaceTime somebody to show them a cute thing that your dog or your human child is doing right now, and for whatever fucking reason they don't answer the phone, well, you can record a video message that they can watch later. If the call fails, hit the record video button. You'll see a brief 5-second countdown. You can pause it if you need a moment to get ready, and then it'll start recording. You still have a button in the bottom right where you can reverse to the rear camera to show something off, just like you would in a normal FaceTime call. And you hit the stop button whenever you're done. You can hit cancel if you need to record another take. And whenever you're done, you just send it along. Number 3, remember last year when you could copy a person or an object or an animal out of a picture, but there wasn't really anything you could do with it? Well, now they can all be made into stickers that you can paste into iMessage, into Mail, into Notes, into Snapchat, anywhere. You don't have to copy and paste, you don't have to drag and drop. You just tap Add to Stickers, and you can access all of your stickers from the emoji keyboard. You can even add effects. This white outline makes it look like it was just peeled off a sticker sheet, and this sort of shiny effect makes it look like one of those puffy, bubbly stickers. It truly puts the multi-core graphical power of the A16 Bionic chip and the Metal Graphics API to their most full potential. It's a lot of fun to use in a group chat. Number 4 is a feature called check-in. Now, every time I leave my mom's house, she always says, as I'm going out the door, text me when you get there. And I don't think I have ever successfully texted her when I have gotten there. So check-in can do that for you. It's a bit like sharing an ETA in Apple Maps, except it's more fine-tuned for personal safety. So from iMessage, you tap the plus button, you swipe up, and you tap check-in. The first time you do this, you'll see a few screens explaining how it works, and you'll tap continue. The next screen asks you how much data you want to share with the recipient, limited or full. And here's what that means. As you're going along your trip, if you come across an unexpected delay, be it at a gas station or if something actually happens to you, your phone will send you a notification and ask you to respond to confirm that you're all right. If you don't respond, then your phone will share details about your current location, your battery charge, and your cell connection. But if you tap full, it'll share your entire location history across the trip. So limited can preserve your privacy a little better, but full could be more helpful in an emergency situation. So tap send a check-in to send the invitation. The recipient will be notified that you've checked in, they'll be able to see your ETA, and they'll be able to rest easy once you've arrived. Finally, here's a quick rundown of tweaks to the iMessage app that make it easier to use. As you saw previously, the app bar is no more. Now you tap the plus button if you want to attach a picture, make an Apple Cash payment, or share your location, and you swipe up to access your old stickers, look up a GIF, or play Game Pigeon. Now you can just swipe right on any earlier message to send a reply in a separate thread. And finally, when you receive a voice message, you will see an inline transcription if you're not in the right time and place to listen to it. It's not perfect, but it's enough to give you the gist. So those are all the best features coming to iMessage, FaceTime, and phone. If you learned something from this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out other videos I've done on new iOS 17 features. I'm D. Griffin Jones with Cult of Mac.